it's me again, Rosie B, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, guys, is I'm going to share with you an online sites where you can take free courses that will give you a certification if you pass the exam. Like me, guys, I came here in the US on a K1 visa. So if you are on a K1 visa, you can't work unless you have your work authorization or your green card. So while waiting for your work authorization, it is good to take courses that will enhance your qualifications, because when you came here in the US, whatever you are in your home country, when you came here in the US, it doesn't matter anymore because they have a different work standard. So like me, I work in accounting and finance in my home country. I was become a administration manager for a long time, and I have a master's degree, but those doesn't matter anymore when you came here in the US. So how would you prepare yourself for your dream job? How would you prepare yourself to qualify for the job that you really wanted to apply this job because this is your field of study. You have lots of experience. So how can you compete and be confident that you will be hired against those other applicants who already have an experience of working in American standards, those applicants that have their education here and have various experiences working in American settings. So in order for you to prepare yourself to be confident enough that you will land a job, that you qualify, is to educate yourself to have more skills regarding the job. So in order to do that is that you have to either go for courses or a new study for you to prove that I'm qualified. I actually study while I was waiting for my work authorization. I take courses that would make me learn on how it is like working in an American standards, that my knowledge, my new education, my new knowledge is aligned with the American standard. So this site, guys, that I'm going to share with you is actually you have to I will put the link in the description box of this video, so that you just have to click and sign up on the site. This site actually is, you just have to have there's a monthly of it, like $39, but there's 1 month free trial. So what I did, guys, is I studied 1 month and get all the certification that I could, studied all the areas that I wanted to learn, and all the areas that I wanted to have certification with, all the areas that I wanted to enhance my skills with, or new areas that I just wanted to know. Areas that I just wanted to know, even if it's new, especially if it is in-demand job here in the United States. So in this site, guys, I will put the site in the description box of the video. You can click it and then you can just register or sign up. So by the way, the site is on LinkedIn Learning. You can also put your profile in LinkedIn where the company can find you, where big companies will find employee. So if you have already there your profile, your education, and you share your learning, new learning in your profile, and then the employer will find you. So some will just hire you, some will message you that they are interested of you. You just have to have that you just have to put that you are open to work. So the site at least is will give you your profile, that the company can contact you, that the job can contact you. And also, guys, although there's a pay for 39, but you don't need to pay if in the period of 1 month you already get all the certification that you wanted. You just can cancel the subscription at any time, and then you just have to have your profile there, so that companies can contact you if they are hiring someone in your qualifications. So that it will not be hard for you, I will just put the link on the description box of the video. So there's this site, guys, has a various of topics, various of courses that you can choose to, whether you are on web design, accounting, bookkeeping, finance, business analyst, or any type of tap or any type of courses that you wanted to learn, even if it's not in your field and you wanted to learn this new skills, and this is what you want to work, or this is a new path that you wanted to learn here in the United States, or even where you are in other country and you wanted to acquire new skills that will give you a certification. So this site is you have a 1 month free trial. So what I did, guys, is this site will, you have to pay like 39 per month, but you have a free 1 month trial. So what I did is, for the free 1 month trial, I take all of the certification that I could possibly get, so that I could enhance my qualifications here in the United. If you are in the field of accounting like me and you wanted to learn a new accounting system, or you wanted to update your knowledge according to accounting standards in the United States, even if it's not your field and you just wanted to acquire a new skills, or you just wanted to acquire a new learning, you just wanted to learn while you were waiting for your visa, this is a very good site that would not only make you, give you new learning, that will not just give you new qualifications, that will not just enhance your knowledge. Also, you can put your profile, you can put your qualifications, your educations, that the company can find you. I hope, guys, this video will help you in acquiring new skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get notified of my new videos. Thank you for watching again, and see you on my next video.